This is Leviathan AEP. AEP is a safety and execution control layer for AI agents before they interact with wallets, protocols, or capital. In this demo, I will show how an AI agent is controlled by policy, execution tickets, capital capsules, and verifiable proof. First, we define a simple policy. The agent is AP:/Solana::agent-alpha.it can operate on Solana DevNet. It can request USDC and SOL transactions.it can perform buy or swap actions. The maximum request is 10 USDC. Execution requires a valid AEP ticket, and the capital capsule must be armed before the signer can continue. Now I will use Hermes as the AI agent interface. Hermes is only the agent interface here. The safety decision is not made by the prompt, the final decision comes from Leviathan AEP. This request is within the policy limit, the maximum request is 10 USDC, and the agent asks for 10 USDC. AEP checks the request through policy, risk, delegation, and capsule rules. The result is authorized. AEP issues an execution ticket, the capital capsule is armed. This means the signer is allowed to continue, but only under the ticket constraints. Now we test an over-limit request. The agent asks for 25 USDC, but the policy only allows 10 USDC. AEP blocks the request.no execution ticket is issued.no capital capsule is armed. This is the key point. The agent cannot bypass the policy by asking differently. Without a valid AEP ticket, execution stops before signing. The issuance layer is the execution gate. AEP does not just return a warning.it issues or denies an execution ticket. If the ticket is issued, the signer can continue. If the ticket is denied, the signer must stop. The capital capsule is the bounded execution space.it limits what the agent can touch. In this demo, the capsule is armed only when the request is inside the 10 USDC policy. When the request exceeds the limit, no capsule is issued. After AEP issues a valid ticket, we can generate a real Solana DevNet proof. This transaction is real and verifiable on Solana Explorer. But it does not expose private keys, wallet details, positions, strategy parameters, or raw transaction data. Only redacted commitments are written on chain. The same proof object can be prepared for ICP verification. This is the core of Leviathan AEP. Humans define the policy. Agents make requests. AEP checks policy, risk, delegation, issuance, and capsule boundaries. Only valid requests receive an execution ticket, and only ticketed execution can move forward to proof or signing. In this demo, AEP protects a Solana agent transaction before the Solana wallet signer is allowed to sign. Our goal is simple: make AI agents safer before they sign, trade, or move assets. Thank you.